Welcome to my channel. Today we'll continue our lesson series on geometry. We have done lesson 1, 2. Today we'll continue with lesson 3, and the topic is angles on a straight line. Remember, last week Friday we dealt with types of angle and we discovered there are 5 types of angles. Now today we are going to focus on one of them, which is angle on a straight line. Please continue to join us every Friday on mathematics class, and you will learn a lot, I assure you. Okay, so today, at the end of today, you should be able to find the sum of angle on a straight line, 1, and solve some problems relating to angles on a straight line. So, let's look at the first objective, sum of angle on a straight line. The sum of angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. Remember, in our last lesson we talked about straight line angles, and we said that straight line angle is angle on a straight line and the value is 180. So the angle on a straight line with a value of 180 is called straight line angle. So today we'll deal more on that. Now let's look at this line. This is a straight line. Remember, the angle on this line is 180. If we divide this line into two angles, we have A and B. It is expected that the sum of A and B equals 180 degrees. So we say A plus B should be equal to 180 degrees. Now the sum of angle on a straight line equal to 180 degrees. That's taken. Now let's see how we can use this to solve some problems. Find the value of x. Find the value of x in this figure. Now remember, this figure will have 3 angles on a straight line: 40 degree, x degree, and 75 degree. So how do we solve this problem? First, we remember that the sum of angle on a straight line is 180. So we add all the angles. So we take x plus 40 plus 75. That should be able to give us 180 degree. It's as simple as that. So collect like terms, 40 plus 75 will be taken to the other part, the other side of the equation. So x will now be 180 minus 75 minus 40, and that will give us x equals 65 degrees. Is that clear? Very simple and straightforward. Now let's look at more work example. Example 2, find the value of the unknown angle in the figure. Look at the figure very well. There are 2 angles on the figure, and the 2 angles are on a straight line. So we start, we add the 2 angles together, and remember, as usual, the sum of angle on a straight line is 180. So 131 degree plus x degree should be able to give us 180 degree. If we take that 180 into that equation, it has become a simple linear equation. So all we need to do is to find x. So find x, we take 131 to the other side of the equation. So x will now be 180 minus 131 degree. And that gives us 49 degree. Perfect. Okay, let's do one more and see. Now look at this. So it doesn't matter whether the line is slant or vertical, horizontal. All you need to look at is, are all the angles on a particular straight line? If the answer is yes, then the sum of angle on a straight line remains 180 degrees. So in this case, all the 3 angles, x, 80 degree, and 3x, are on a straight slant line. So we take all of them and add them together as usual, and that gives us 180 degree. So we have x plus 80 degree plus 3x equals 180. We collect like terms. If we take x plus 3x, we have 4x. Now plus 80 degree, that will give us 180 degree. Now take 80 to the other side and subtract. So we have 4x equal to 180 minus 80. And that implies 4x is 100 degree. So to get x, you divide both sides by 4. So x will now be 100 divided by 4. And that is 25 degree. So if x is 25 degree, which is one of the angles, 3x will be 3 times 25, and that is 75 degrees. That's perfect. So let's go ahead and see some other work examples and see how to do it. So example 3, look at that angle. That is a slant line. I will have two angles on it, y degree and 3y degree. It's the same step. The sum of angle on a straight line is 180. So y plus 3y should be able to give us 180 degrees. So we take the 180 to the equation, and if we do that, we're going to have y plus 3y equals 180 degrees. Now y plus 3y are like them, so y plus 3y degrees equals to 4y degree equals to 180. To get y, you divide it by 4. So let's take it up there. Y is equals to 180 divided by 4. So what's the answer? Y is 45 degrees. So it means that the other side, 3y, is now 45 times 3, and that is 135 degrees. Perfect! So let's go ahead to the next example. This is also a slant line. We have m degree, 3m, and m. All these are on a straight line. So we do the same thing. We pick them and add them together. And remember, angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. So we have to equate all these to 180 degrees. And if we have done that, m plus 3m plus m will give us, add those together, you have 5m degree equals to 180 degrees. To get m, you divide it by 5. So m is 180 divided by 5. If you do that, you're going to have m equals to 36 degrees. Now, if m is equals to 36 degrees, then 3m is 108. That is 3 times 36 degrees. Take note of that. Alright, so let's look at the exercise. Find the value of the unknown angles in the figure. You have this figure, and it says find the value of the unknown angle. So what do you think is the answer? Alright, let me help you out. It's going to be 120 plus x equals to 180, meaning that x is 180 minus 120, and that gives me 60 degrees. If that is your answer, clap for yourself. Okay, let's try number 2. We have three angles here: 3x squared, 3x degree, 2x degree, and x degree. Remember, all this will be equal to 180. So 3x plus 2x plus x should be able to give us 180. 3x plus 2 is 5x plus x is 6x. So 6x equals to 180. So x is 180 over 6. And that is 30 degrees. So if that is the value of your x, clap for yourself. So we don't stop there. How about 2x? That's 2 times 30, and that should give us 60 degrees. And 3x, 3 times 30 should give us 90 degrees. Thank you so much. I want to remember next Friday. Don't forget the time and the date. Next Friday. Always on Friday, we'll continue this lesson series. Join us every Friday, and make sure you don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.